Okay guys, today's Saturday, October, what is it? 17. Opening day of rifle season over here in Wake County. I got this little spot right here by the creek. Hopefully we get to shoot something today. Just a little chill, get up there. We'll see you guys in the morning. And thanks everybody for watching my videos again. I didn't even see this morning. Sitting right there too. They're hitting this side. Look at the trail, fucking fresh. All fresh right here. That one too. Damn. She came down the trail. Damn. Holy shit. You've gotta be kidding me. Damn. Ha ha. Big guy. Dang. That's what we've been looking for. He's been rubbing here, everywhere. Next time I come back. That might have been him. Then she came down. It's gotta be somewhere right here. This trail. There's a trail right here. I don't think she was that far. She was somewhere around here. Went down. Didn't come my way though. We'll get her next time. It's a good spot right here. It's a little. Gotta find a tree. This pine tree. Maybe. Maybe this tree. What? Yeah, look at. He's been hitting right here. This tree. That tree. That one too. Oh, look at it. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. Got one. Joseph got one. Got a spike. Good job, son. I see you guys on the trail.
Did you see the trail?
Yeah.
You walked through the woods?
Yeah, I came back to the wood. Where the fuck you hit it?
That's what I'm saying. That's my polo. It's on the, it blew the whole stomach out. There was corn everywhere.
Which side you shoot it?
The other side. Turn it around. Turn it around, don't scratch it. Look like it's all the way. 맞잖아, 어제는.
Hit right here, no?
No. I think that bullet, it stayed in there.
Nah, it hit right here.
How?
That's what I said.
Chill.
No? It probably stopped there.
I think it stopped there.
Which side you shoot it?
He said he shot the other side.
I think the bullet stopped right there with the red dot.
But then it has to be that. Unless he shot the other way.
That can't be the.
That's what I was thinking too. Yeah, that's the side I shot.
Nah.
I got it on video. It must have been that one then. Yo, actually not.
What?
You went to probably. Well, we'll see it when we clean.
I cannot be.
Mitsubishi.
No, you pick. You get one.
Huh?
Y'all pick.
I mean, just throw it there.
Nah,
I mean,
I ain't picking. What are you talking about? I'm
When it
picking.
first started,
whatever, you know.
Cutting over.
and then my one of the belt broke.
Oh, it's like convertible.
Yeah. I
Oh,
brought
shit,
it back,
that's
and
good
then
already.
my belt broke. I made it right there, and then I just left it right there.
Turn on how. Just that one go here.
Been there for
Splitting the meat right now. Hey, that's not good.
No, you go wipe it off. It's still the color is
Oh
still.
shit, I
tight.
put two right here.
I got 3 clear coats on that. Glitter
Everything's there.
stuff.
You painted?
No, I didn't paint it. Somebody painted it. I paid 3
Yeah,
grand
that's
for
it.
it painted. That was when I was younger.
The heart too.
Looking for wood.
You gotta cut the heart.
The heart is gone. The
Yeah,
lung.
it was 10
Oh, the
years
liver,
ago.
I mean,
Look at the heart.
I mean,
Yeah,
yo,
for a long time.
Joe,
That one.
yo, both will get each one.
Look. Look at the heart.
I'm still
Yeah.
a little bit. You can clean it up. Those
I ain't needing no lid.
What'd
What'd you say?
There ain't no lead.
this.
I got.
Um,
Got that
you
one?
and
Huh?
definitely just get each one.
That stuff.
I don't know what is it.
Just the tender.
Tenderloin.
Meat.
The
Yeah, I'll
inside.
take it. I always get some kind of tough meat, is what they call
That's soft though.
Leg
Tell me
stuff.
shit.
You want this one?
it. No.
Whatever.
Alright,
just pick.
bags.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Bag.
All right,
And put everybody's stuff in.
we're double bagging.
Well, mine already started over there.
Oh, oh.
I already got mine.
Yo, I thought
We got double bag though.
Yeah.
All
That's
right,
good.
So you just
This is the
Oh,
dirty one.
man.
It's like trick or treating. Look, trick or treating.
Which one you want? I'll open it for you. Oh, one grab me.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a lot of meat though.
Yeah. That is a lot.
I mean, he's a big boy
For
too.
one deer, man.
Yeah, he's big boy.
Yep. For one deer, that's a lot. I'm gonna put. All right. Oh, thank you, man.
Double bag.
Yep.
Put one pile.
Your hand's clean. I'll let you.
Oh, wait. Hey.
For
Oh,
my
you want
part.
more?
Open. Say,
Too long, I'm at all that.
he
Oh, shit, yeah, I
he wanna
forgot.
give it to you for his
My part.
his part. He try to give it
Yeah.
to you.
I
What?
got me already, so.
I
I'ma
mean,
give
he
it to
just
you.
Give it to you.
Well, you pick it.
I mean, you pick it. He give
Yeah.
it to you. Whatever you.
I don't want to take nobody else. I want somebody else to get some too.
No. That's
I don't-
his.
That's
part.
my
He said
share.
He
Well,
give
just
to
grab
you.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just get it, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, Pepe, man. So, baby, out
Man,
there.
look, I'm already making a mess. I can't do nothing right.
Earlier, you grab fucking one time,
Yeah.
but now.
I'm used to grab my nuts like that.
That's my part, so.
Yeah. Okay.
And then split you guys, whatever.
And then
Where's Johnny cooking over.
yeah, John,
Yeah.
John is cooking.
Cleanish.
And then what do I take, please?
There's no more now.
Oh,